Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about how to find a quality automotive service and repair facility before you need one. This is of the utmost importance, like I said, before you need one. Otherwise, we often get into a panic trying to figure out where to take our vehicle when there is a major concern. What we often tell folks is, number one, referrals from friends are great. If you know a friend that's been going to a place and they strongly recommend them, that's a great place to start. AAA approval is the second thing that we say is extremely important. AAA vets all of their repair facilities that they allow to hang the AAA sign out on. They do customer CSI, which is customer service index ratings on the shop. They're checking with customers consistently. They make sure that it's a friendly, clean environment. Technicians have to be certified in all areas that they work on the vehicle in. Quality parts need to be used, and the warranties have to be 2 years or 24,000 miles minimum on all repairs here in San Diego County. So if you're looking for a repair facility, we strongly recommend that you make sure they're a drug-free environment, AAA approved, quality facility, and last but not least, make sure and stop in and check out the facility before you need a service or repair. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.